you have to click on this Anaconda Navigator. You will find this Anaconda Navigator. You have to click on this Anaconda Navigator. You will find the window like this. You have to open the RStudio environment which we have installed in the last session. You have to select that particular environment, and then you will find this RStudio icon. You have to launch that icon. After launching this icon, you will find this window. This window contains different windows. So this window is considered as your editor, or we can call it as a script area. This window is called as a terminal, or we can call it as a console. This is an environment window where we can see the output from the different variables which we are executing. Okay, this is the window where we can see the execution or the plot area. Okay, so if you want to plot the different graphs, so these graphs are going to be represented right here. So in the last session we have seen that we have installed these packages. Okay, so these packages are used for the creation of your Rattle software. So we have installed all these packages. Now we are calling these Rattle functions. So you have to select last two lines and you have to run this particular command, okay, using run selected lines. After you executing these two lines, these functions will be executed right here, and it will show you the output like this, where you can define your program and you can run your own script. Okay, so this is a file. From here you can create a new file, you can create a project also, you can open existing files. Okay, you can also open the existing projects. Okay, and you can also import the data sets right from here. Then you can use this edit option to edit the file. Then this is a code option where you can insert some lines, you can jump to the particular line. Okay, you can extract some functions, variable scopes, you can use this. Then there is a view option where you want to zoom in, zoom out, or you can switch in between the tabs, you can use this. Then this is a plot function or plot tab is there. When you want to use some plotting options, that next plot, previous plot, zoom plot, okay, this particular tab is going to use. Then session, if you want to create a new session for the this particular R programming, you can create a new session from here. If you want to terminate the running executing and particular program, you can terminate the R session from here. If you want to restart, let's suppose that you are getting output in your console window and you want to restart your kernel, you can restart with the help of this option. Okay, then build is a configuration or build for your debugging of your particular program. You can build this using this function. Then debug, if you have some errors, okay, if you want to check those errors, you can check those error using this debug option. Then profile, so this profile tool is used for the uh, for this R platform informations to extract the profiling and select the particular number of lines. Okay, and you can use these tools also to install the external packages. Okay, you write the package name from here and it will search the particular package from the internet, and it will suggest you that you can install it or not install it. Okay, so from here you can check the package for the update also. As you can see, all the packages are available right here. If some packages are uh, outdated, you can check the uh, updates. Okay, you can check all those packages and install update. Okay, it will consume internet speed. Okay, if you have low internet speed, it will take time to install all the packages. So you have to upload this particular file. So you have to click on this file name, then you have to open the download folder. So right here you will not find your download folder, so you have to click on the C drive, then you will find the users, then Intel is the my computer name, then in this particular Intel download folder is available, and in this particular download folder I have used this weather asu.csv file. So this is 13.5 MB file. So already I have downloaded this file. I can open this file from here. So when you click on open, and you have to press the execute button after that. Okay, so it has 1,13,000 something data points, so it will take some time to download and open into this particular library. Okay, so as you can see, so these are some variables: date, location, minimum temperature, maximum temperature, rainfall, evaporation, sunshine, wind. So these are some parameters for inputs. Okay, so all these parameters are inputs, and we are taking some point for your target. So what is this target? Target means this is our final category which we have to classify. So tomorrow there will be some rain or there will be no rain. Okay, so we have to predict it. Okay, then there is some risk management, so we can define that numeric value for this risk management. Okay, so this is our classification right here. So we are giving the input and we are taking the output as a rain tomorrow or not tomorrow. Okay, so we are defining the data set with the 70% for the training, 15% for the testing, and 15% for the validation. Okay, so this is the uh, partition criteria for our particular this data set. So we can explore this. We can explore this with the help of execute option. You can explore the summary part. You can explore the distribution. You can explore the correlation between this. You can execute the correlation and you will find the correlation between the each data point. You will find the principal component. After pressing on principal component, and after executing this, you will find this principal component. Then there is the interactive sessions, and there is the test session also. You can test your particular this data set using the test option. Okay, library right here, and in this library you have to select the iris data set. So this is your iris data set. You have to open this iris data set and execute it. You will find these are the parameters for input and this is the parameter for the output. So we have sepal length, width, and petal length and width, and we have to define this species. So which type of flower category is this one? So this is the species, so you have to classify. So file extraction. Okay, you save the file and run the file. Okay, so as you can see right here, this customer churn data set is available with 21 variables. Okay, so you can see this customer ID, then gender, then senior citizens, partners, dependent, tenure, all these fields are present in your R. Okay, you can use any one of the field and you can plot all these graphs from here. Okay, so as you can see, quickly perform this operation. So when you click on this particular environment, this particular data environment, you will see all these files right here. Okay, when you enter this particular class, you will find the integer type of data type. As you can see, this is a data frame and its type is a integer type of data type. So what is this? This tenure. Tenure is a one particular column of that particular file. So here is your data. Okay, here is your data, and in this data there is a tenure column. Okay, so you will find this is your tenure column. Okay, in this particular tenure column you will find all the values are present in the form of integer. Okay, so that's why this particular tenure is going to represent the data type as integer. Okay, and in the previous we are using this customer underscore churn. So this is a complete data set in which complete excel file is present. So this is represented as data dot frame. So all the frames are available in this data, so that's why it is replying us with the output as a data frame. Clear till this point? Any doubt? We have completed only three basic instructions right here. First instruction, how to read the CSV file. Second instruction, how to read the particular data frame. And third instruction, how to read particular column of that particular file. Okay, quickly give your response. Any doubt till this point? Quickly give your response. Sir, it is accepting this command for the data frame. Is it right? So churn.read, class customer churn.read. Churn.read, why are you using this dot read right here? You cannot use this dot read what? Okay. Sir, without dot read, it is giving error. So it is not giving error right here. Okay, it is working fine with this particular function. Okay, then we have extracted the different data frames, then individual columns. Okay, then we assign one column with the another column name. Okay, so in this manner you can change the column name also. Okay, so it is working fine in my machine. You can use this line of code I am sharing with you in the chat. You can directly copy this line of code, and you change the particular this particular location, because this location is different with my machine and your machine. Okay, you change this location and you can use this for your program. Okay, when this particular RStudio is installed in your machine, this RStudio window look like this. Okay, you can create your own project. Okay, you can use the tools, settings and help options from here. Okay, you can define a new file. You can use the data manipulation tools from here. Right here you can access the source file. Okay, and you can upload that particular weather.csv file from here. After that you can give the header positions, how you can separate those headers with the help of comma or dot. Okay, then you can define which portion you want for the graph plotting. Okay, let's suppose that this particular weather.csv file containing 10 number of rows. Okay, and you are interested into minimum temperature and maximum temperature and rainfall and all those things. So you can select those options and the graph is going to be plotted in between these options. Okay, clear? So this is a freely or inbuilt options are available in the RStudio. You have to just select the CSV file and you have to choose the column name only. Okay, so when you want to select the column names, those column names are going to be plotted in the graph. Okay, So automatically graph is going to be created. There is no need to code all those things. Okay, automatic graph is going to be come up. When you upload a CSV file, you will get the complete graph for that file. Okay.